What makes a great chef's knife? Forged with proprietary materials, well-balanced weight, or the grip comfort? But the most important feature we would all agree upon? A great chef's knife must be sharp, able to slice through every ingredient imaginable without effort. Introducing REO, the premium Damascus chef's knife that is ergonomically engineered with your unique cooking style in mind. First off, let's talk about the blade. Enveloped in 33 layers of premium Damascus steel on each side, the cutting core of REO is made from uniquely formulated VG10 high-carbon steel. It boasts up to 62 Rockwell hardness and honed to an extremely sharp edge with exceptional retention. We've also included rhythmic rocking curves that would deliver fine dining-worthy meal prep without hassle. The blade is wide enough to transfer ingredients effortlessly from chopping board to pan. And a pointed tip perfectly pierces prep duty products, like when you need to debone a fish or even a whole chicken. A great chef's knife should be universally adaptive, regardless of your food culture, cooking style, and even physical conditions, as we believe there are no two meals that are the same. For better holding flexibility and wielding versatility, we've merged our signature wedge bolster with the ergonomic handle. Take a regular grip hold and enjoy how the flat top bolster lends extra leverage and pressure to tackle tough work. And for more delicate ingredients, we've designed grooves on either side of the bolster that grants a comfortable pinch grip on the blade for more maneuverability. When it comes to mincing or vigorous dicing, the wide grip of REO will ensure you generate enough momentum to deliver finely chopped prep. The art-crafted handle makes for a comfortable grip that equips you with a true knife extension of your hand. We've even made enough knuckle room to guarantee complete slicing, chopping, and dicing comfort. At Hardcrafts, we're passionate about creating fine kitchenware products for those who are passionate about cooking. If the door to the heart is a well-prepped meal, we hope REO is the right key to unlock it. Thanks for supporting us on Kickstarter, and bon appetit!
So this is my premium Damascus chef's knife made by Hardcrafts. As you can see, it's the REO series. I thought this was kind of funny. It's REO Sharp. This is what my packaging looked like. I'm not sure if the final product looks like that as well. So you have two knives, and that's pretty useful because I often would use a smaller knife for maybe breakfast, lunch, some simple things, vegetables, and avocado. I also use it for bagels. Just making some light, quick, and easy stuff. This does the job pretty well. But I'm mostly going to talk about the larger size one. And this, as stated, is really sharp. Like, I cut my finger when I was doing carrots. I was lifting up some carrots and my finger kind of grazed the edge. And I really wasn't thinking about how sharp it's going to be because most knives I use are not like that. As mentioned, it does have this kind of curve over here, so you get this rocking boat movement, and that works really well. I really appreciated that feature because most of the knives that I use don't have that, and you kind of just have to go like up and down, and that rhythmic motion really helped to make things a lot smoother. So the knife is pretty big, and also this edge here is really sharp as well. Like if I'm cutting an entire chicken, it really helps to pierce in. It punctures pretty well through both skin and bone. It's my first time using a knife like this to cut meat. This really helped you to pierce in and then get on with the rest of the cutting. And my husband also really likes this knife. He said that it has a very nice weight and it's very comfortable to use because it does have like some weight to it and helps you to get a good balance. And he also likes that it's super sharp. One thing I think that makes me feel really exhausted about cooking, especially after a long day, is when you really have to work the knife to get it done and you just feel like you don't want to cook anymore. So that's something that I like about this knife. Just hope that it can keep up this sharpness as I continue to sharpen it during its life.